Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of the MD Investor. Today we're out in the garden. Okay, so it's a little late. It's late June. It's the last day of June, June 30th actually. We got our garden over here. Come around here, and I will show you what we have. And quickly, we got some big boy tomatoes, juicy, nice slices, good for burgers and stuff. I think these are peppers. Yeah, they're already blossoming. There's some vines here. I think these are coming from cucumbers right here. See the vine, they're gonna be going all over the place. This barely gonna be going all over the place. More tomatoes. Let's see here. Mainly big boy tomatoes. This is a little orange. It's already yeah, we kept this alive all winter. I just brought it inside, and so now it's alive. Got a little blossom, so hopefully soon. Look at a close up here. Here you see the little peppers, the green peppers, bell peppers. Baby, but still on their way. Beautiful, doing very great. I think these are eggplants over there. Eggplant. Over here, these are tomatoes we started from seeds. And these are eggplants right there. Over here, some regular beans that we started. These are actually watermelons, if you believe it or not. Watermelons, more peppers. More beans. This one here is weeds. We put some seeds in there, didn't do well. Also, in this one, didn't do too well. This one is spinach. We had a little seeds left from last year. These are some spinach. Over there, we tried some Brussels sprouts from seeds. They didn't really take. Maybe if you squint your eyes, maybe, and possibly, but didn't do too well. Let me come around, and then I'll get to the point. This is a financial channel. What are we talking about? Well, why are we here? We're going to put down some stuff here. We're going to transplant. These are broccolis. I'm going to transplant them from these little seedlings container into this little trough. I don't even know what this is. I think my son got it. Cantaloupe. Okay, so my son said this is cantaloupe. You can probably smell it already. Mint. So this is where your toothpaste, the mint from your toothpaste comes from. Your mint tea, or my British friends. Mint chocolate, mouthwash, anything with a minty flavor. Breath mint, anything with that's where it comes from. They took out the little label. This may be Scotch bonnet pepper. Jamaican, if you're Jamaican, Caribbean, you know, hot. This is another Scotch bonnet pepper. This one has a label. So we got two of them. You see, they look similar to leaves. This is bok choy. In Chinese cooking and stuff. We like them. Anybody who likes, anybody watch Kung Fu Panda? Bok choy. Regular, your regular beans. Okay, not from the can, fresh from the garden. And we got another, actually, no, cauliflower. So we're gonna transfer them. Put some holes in there and put them in water. With the water right here, and we got the fertilizer right here. And God is gonna give the sunshine. But what's the point? With the financial channel, you haven't talked about any finances. It's about principles. You may say, what's the point? Why are you telling us about this gardening? That's nice and everything, but it's a financial channel. You haven't talked about money. You haven't talked about investing. You haven't talked about compound interest. The Bible said there is a time and a season for every purpose under the heaven. A time to be born, a time to die, a time to plant, and a time to pluck up that which is planted, which means reap. Ooh, a red-tailed hawk. Nature's out here, boy. Red-tailed hawk. So, financially speaking, everybody want to get paid. It's Friday. Yeah. But did you work? Because if you ain't working, your employer will not give you money. Oh yeah, it's reaping season. Did you plan? No, I was busy. I was getting my rest. I was getting my slumber. No. So we're putting in the work now, which is the planting, and we'll have something to look forward to. A time to plant and a time to pluck up that which is planted, maybe in 2 months, maybe in 70 days, maybe in 80 days. So financially speaking, we have to do the work first. You got to invest every month in an S&P 500 index fund or S&P 500 ETF, like a ticker symbol VOO from Vanguard. You put $100 in there every month, $200 every month. Compound interest, 10%. Your interest, getting interest over time, and then you will have a harvest to look forward to. Don't look for any harvest. Don't look for any eggplant. Don't look for watermelons. Don't look for broccoli. Don't look for cauliflower. Don't look for a retirement fund. Don't look for anything if you have not put the work in. Okay? No matter what it is. Don't look for a six-pack if you haven't been doing your thing in the gym. Don't look for anything. Okay? So just a quick message here from the MD Investor. These are called principles, okay? Sometimes everything doesn't have to be exact, but it could be principles. The principle here we're learning is effort, time, energy has to be put in on the front end, so then on the back end we can get the result, right? We all want like eat a good meal, right? But if mom or dad or whoever's doing the cooking doesn't go shopping, get the ingredients, take the time, prepare them, then they're not going to be in a meal. You can't come sit down and talk about, is dinner ready? Well, first of all, you didn't work, so you gave me no money to go shopping, right? So, first principle. Again, guys, the MD Investor, trying to educate ourselves so we can educate our children and break the cycle of generational poverty. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the next one, okay?